Hey guys, it's Mashemi. I'm back and you're watching B.T.W.F Siblings. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, before the video starts, let's hit the intro. So before this video starts, I'd like to say sorry for that huge Filmora thing that's a bit in the way. Hope it doesn't bother you, and the reason it's there is because I was just lazy to use the recording studio that I normally use, so bye. For this project, I decided to use this tropical fabric because I found it was pretty and I also thought that she would like it. So now I cut the pattern pieces in the fabric. And so for this project, I'd like to have one back piece for like the back, then two front pieces, both cut in the middle, well, like both halved in the middle, and then also two sleeves, and then that's all. Okay, so I know the video's already started, but I couldn't find time before to place this. But if you haven't seen my sister's music video that she released a month ago, you should totally go check it out. It's beautiful, and I think we should just take a moment to really appreciate the beautifulness of that song. Like, I am probably a bit biased because she's my sister, but still, that was amazing. So go check it out in the iCard section. The first part that I sew are the shoulder seams. So guys, I actually made this last September or October, I don't really remember. But I had to wait until I could give it to her to be able to post this video. I feel like I do this a lot. Sorry guys. Next, I sew the sleeves to the top, and guys, I'm actually quite curious as to what videos you prefer me, Mashemi, making. So like, do you prefer doll customs, sewing, clothes, making stuff with animals? Don't forget to vote and like just press that iCard thingy, and I'll keep that in mind. But it probably won't apply for a while because like I already have a few projects in mind, so maybe once I'm done with those, it probably will get applied. So just have to wait. Then I hem the sleeves, and if you want, you can hem them after we sew the side seam, and I would advise you to do that because it will look prettier. Like you won't, like there's no chance that you'd see like some of the seams popping out in a way. On doll size clothes, you can't really do that because unless you're doing it by hand. But yeah, when you're doing it in doll case, because it's glaze. English. Now I can sew the side seam. So, yeah. It was too tight around the arms, so I took off the sleeve seam and made the sleeve seam bigger. Well, yeah, bigger. Then after I added this red fabric, well, for this beginning of the sleeves, then after for the rest of the arms, I just used that other fabric. First, I sewed that red piece of fabric to the sleeve, well, the rest of the sleeve. Then I attach it to the top. Then after I sew this sleeve seam. So after it was done, I actually really liked the design. So, guys, let's just pretend I did it on purpose, okay? So this was no mistake. It was a design choice to like make it like this. Okay? You understand? That's what we're going to say. and I hem the bottom of the top. Now I sew the interface in, then after I iron it flat on the inside of the top, then I sew a seam that's really close to the edge around the neck, and that way it doesn't flip back and then get all messy, you know. Lastly, I hem the front of the top that you actually see, you know. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in 3 weeks on Saturday.